Today, we're talking about one of the most hyped online businesses out there, starting your own clothing brand. Not print on demand, not reselling, your brand, your style, your money. And I'm going to break down how to start, how it works, how much investment you actually need, and how to grow it into a six-figure brand. Let's jump in. Step one, pick a niche. If you sell to everyone, you sell to no one. Focus on one lane. Streetwear for gamers, gym wear for athletes, minimal wear for professionals, trendy fits for teens, or graphic tees with attitude. Your niche decides your designs, marketing, and customers. Step two, branding and vibe. A clothing brand is not cotton and polyester, it's identity. You need a brand name, a logo, a tagline, a story, and a mood. People don't wear clothes for coverage. They wear brands because it represents who they are. Nike sells motivation. Gymshark sells confidence. Your brand needs to sell purpose. Step three, investment. You can start small or go big. Small budget $300 to $800. Use print on demand, no bulk inventory, digital designs, orders ship after purchase. Great for testing but low profit. Medium budget $1,000 to $3,000. Get small inventory, work with a wholesale blank supplier, get screen printing, and launch a store. Better margins and real branding. Big budget $5,000 plus, full custom, cut and sew, bulk, packaging. That's real scaling. Step four, designs and suppliers. Your designs must pop. Hire a graphic designer or design in Canva/Photoshop. For blank shirts and hoodies, use brands like Independent Trading Co., Bella Plus Canvas, Gildan, or AS Color. For manufacturing overseas, options include China, Pakistan, or Portugal. Always get samples first. Step five, store and sales. You need a storefront. Instagram alone is not a store. Use Shopify or Etsy, connect payments, upload photos, write solid descriptions, and you're live. Step six, marketing and growth. This is where winners are made. Use TikTok organic videos daily, Instagram Reels for lifestyle shots, influencer shoutouts, limited drops to create hype, email lists for discounts and new releases, pop-up events, and powerful packaging. Don't beg customers, create fear of missing out. Say, drop goes live Friday, limited pieces. That drives sales fast. Step seven, scaling. Once demand is real, increase designs, add more sizes, expand into hoodies, joggers, cargos, caps, run paid ads, collaborate with creators, and build a community. That's how you go from random shirts to a real brand. Clothing won't make you rich overnight, but with branding, story, and marketing, this can turn into a six-figure hustle. If you want more breakdowns like this, marketing strategies, supplier lists, design hacks, like the video and comment clothing brand, I'll make part two with actual suppliers, pricing, and a TikTok content plan. See you in the next one.